beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Susan, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, you're the best. Today it's our Independence Day, Uganda. I'm from Uganda. As you can see, you can tell by the eyes, by the head wrap, by the shirt. Yes, so I'm gonna be doing this transformation on myself, yeah, in the honor of my country, or Uganda. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the eyebrows, of course, and I'm gonna split this video a little bit, this part of the eyebrows a little bit, because I have a detailed video on this channel, so you can check it out if you're interested. I'll leave it in the cards. I'm going to use Eyebrow concealer, 2 shades, that is dark cocoa and toffee, to clean up my eyebrows. Yeah, I mixed them. Yeah, this is our monument, our Independence Monument, located at Speak Road in Kampala. These are presidents that have ruled us ever since. That is from Edward Mutesa, may he rest in peace, to our current president Museveni, Yoweri Museveni. So before making my shadows, I'm gonna use this cell tape. You can use any tape that is not too strong. Then I'm going to angle it, like, you know, when you're making that winged, it's called winged line. wing. Yeah, like where I want my shadow to start from. The eyeshadow, I have this beautiful pallete beauty glaze. I got it off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. And I'm going to be starting with this black, and it's going to be like my transitioning color. But to make a transitioning, I'm gonna use this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to tap it in, just tapping it in. So for our next transitioning color, I'm going to use a smaller brush this time round, and I'm going to go with this color, deep maroon, I think. I don't know how it's called. It's not labeled. Then I'm going to use circular motions, and I blend it with our first color, the black color, okay? And I make sure that I blend it well. Next color, that is yellow, we're going to use a flat brush this time round. Yeah. And again, I'm going to just tap it in, making sure that it all gets pigmented. So for our next color, that is our last color, it is red, of course. I'm going to just use again a flat brush, and I tap it in just like we did with the yellow. Yeah, because when you use circular motions, it's like you're sweeping it off, and we want this color to be showing. Yeah, again, I'm gonna go with my black again, and just to blend it a little bit with the yellow. Yeah, and that's it for the upper eyeshadow. Then we're gonna peel it off. Wow, so satisfying. Now I'm going to prep my skin. I'm gonna use this primer from Manhattan. That you can use any primer you prefer, and you can use a serum. Then for a foundation, I'm gonna use this Fit Me in the shade 360, and I'm going to use my foundation brush for application. Then I'm going to use a damp sponge. Okay, it has water in it, it is damp, and then I'm going to start tapping it in until I blend the foundation on all over the face. And of course, when blending your foundation, never forget the neck, because it will be 2 different people. Then I'm gonna use this concealer, the cocoa. No, I'm gonna use the toffee, sorry. And I'm going to conceal my under eye and everywhere I want to conceal. Okay, again, I'm gonna tap it in, and I blend it very well. Yeah, you just have to keep on blending, blending, blending. Make sure you don't leave any marks. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, our capital city is Kampala, and I was born in Kampala. I think I'm going to do a ethnicity tag on my channel. Yeah, then I did the same with my eyeliner, under eye. Yeah, so just again black, yellow, red on the under eye. Then I went ahead and applied mascara. Yeah, you know, I'm just getting into this thing of doing this makeup, so I haven't gotten around to wear lashes. So for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this Manhattan. It's a matte lipstick. Yeah, whatever they call it. So it's the one that I'm gonna use. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish off the look by making a hair drop and spraying my face. I did not use powder. I don't feel like it. Yeah, happy independence, my people. This is a beautiful crested crane. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Yeah, this is our flag. It's black, yellow, red, black, yellow, red, and it has a crested crane that I showed you earlier, and the wrap. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know in the comments if you liked my look, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Independence Day, my Ugandan people, and have a blessed time. Cheers.